Okay, Polaris Side by Side. This is a Ranger 800, pretty similar with the 900 and probably the 1000 and the 570. So if you've got a no start situation or it's running rough, lack of power, you want to get yourself one of these fuel pressure testers online or at a parts store. And they come with a variety of different fittings and a T so that you can run that in line. Here I'm just pressing the two plastic tongs on the back of this fuel line to remove it. And you'll see there's a metal fitting there, and it's identical to the one that I have on my tester. I cut that off of a fuel filter, an old fuel filter I had laying around that was for a Ford Ranger. Now, it's a pretty standard automotive fitting, so maybe it'll come with your kit. If not, just go down to the store and get the cheapest Ford Ranger fuel filter and cut off that little metal piece and hose clamp it on. So now you want to turn the key on and watch your gauge and see if it goes up. In my case, it's gone up, but I'm also leaking fuel. So I need to tighten up my fittings a little bit. And I'm going to do that by just tightening the hose clamps a little bit more until I don't have any more leaks. You should be getting around 58 pounds of pressure when it's running. And to start it, you're going to need at least 30. And even if it starts, it's not going to run right unless you have the proper pressure. One telltale sign is when you go to turn the key, if you don't hear the fuel pump at least a little bit, it's probably bad or going bad. They're normally audible. You'll hear the sound of it running. And so here you can see when I turn the key, I'm getting around 20 to 25 pounds, and then it just loses pressure. It should hold some pressure too. So that's a sign that internally something's wrong with the pump. So it's really just as easy as taking this fuel pump assembly out by unscrewing that large plastic ring, taking these fittings off, the fuel line and the wire connector, and just swap the pump out.